What a nice one to rob. Whoa! Now hurry up, you two numbskulls. The next thing I need is to get caught, if you know what I mean. I just escaped out of the asylum. If I get back in there again, you know what they'll do to me. So hurry up. Now get moving. And open the safe before I get real angry. So I just suggest you hurry up. Oh, okay, boss. Tommy Lee Jones in Bobby Bennett's thriller, Batman. Hurry up and get the money! Oh, you're using my henchmen to do your evil? What? Who said that? Come out wherever you are. Don't hide. Yeah. Oh, I have no need to hide. You and me were good companions a while ago. Yeah, so you thought I was dead. I'm a two-personality kind of guy. The name's Two-Face. Two-Face? You're alive? Yes, I am. Listen, why were you using my henchmen and breaking into my bank? But I always break into. If I knew you were still alive, I wouldn't. Seriously, man, don't kill me. Oh, I'm gonna do more than that when I get through with you. But maybe we can be companions again. I don't think so. What was that? Someone's here. Henchmen, gather around! Batman and Robin, get them! Let's get out of here, Two-Face! Yeah, I'm Robin and I am bad. Get off of me, you two losers! Batman, watch out! I'll get this ninja. Batman, are you alright? I'm fine, Robin. Oh no! Two-Face and the Riddler, they got away. It's alright. They didn't get the money out of the safe. The city is safe again, thanks to us, Batman and Robin. Listen, I just wanted to say that you did good last night fighting Two-Face and those hoodlum guys. I just want to say I was proud of you. That's all. Bye. Okay, whatever. So, Mr. Wayne, while you were in Master Grayson's bedroom, I saw the signal. Okay, hold on. I'll go up and get Dick. No, that won't be necessary. I'll go get him. You hurry off to the Batcave. Some crime fun. Hold on, Robin. So, Bruce, who do you think it is, and why do you think they're doing it? Well, if I know Two-Face and the Riddler, the chance that they break out is still anything they can get their hands on. You two idiots have done. Yeah, look what you two idiots have done. What we do, boss? Look out the window. They sent the signal out. Batman and Robin will be here any minute. Yeah, any minute. Now hurry up and load the money into the back truck. Okay, boss. What's going on, Two-Face? Huh? Two-Face, what's going on? I don't know. Shh! Batman and Robin! Let's take care of these guys. I don't think so. Batman, I'll get these guys. Two-Face and the Riddler, they're getting away. You get them while I take care of these two numbskulls. Batman, come back! Yes, a clean getaway with all the cash from the machines. We are going to be rich, Two-Face. Not while I'm here. Yes, we are going to be millionaires. More rich than Bruce Wayne. Don't get too excited. We still might have Batman on our trail somewhere. Did you hear that, Two-Face? Hear what? It's probably just the wind. Does the wind make that sound? You're right. Something is going on. But what is it? What? It's Batman! He's on the car! Two-Face, keep your eyes on the road! I can't, a big bat's on our windshield. Don't you just hate when big bugs get all over your windshield? Put your brakes on, Two-Face. Whoa! Bat roadkill coming up! Batman, watch out! Batman, are you okay? Yeah, I'm fine. I just want to know one thing. How'd you catch up to me? Well, you're not the only one that knows how to drive the Batmobile.